Welcome to a new way of seeing wealth, not as numbers, but as design. In this video, we're uncovering the invisible blueprint, the quiet system behind every self-made millionaire. It's not about luck, or inheritance, or overnight success. It's about structure, habits, mindset, and decisions that most people never notice. Stay till the end, because I'll reveal the final piece of this blueprint, the one that separates those who just earn money from those who build wealth that lasts generations. The first element of the invisible blueprint is financial architecture. The wealthy don't let money drift, they design how it moves. Every dollar has a job. Every investment has a purpose. While most people earn and spend in cycles, the rich build systems that multiply and protect. The second layer is mindset geometry. Their thinking follows patterns, patience, leverage, and purpose. They see time as their greatest investor and emotion as their biggest expense. They don't chase trends, they design outcomes. The third pillar is silent compounding. True wealth grows quietly. It's built through small, consistent actions that no one claps for: saving before spending, investing before upgrading, and learning before earning. The blueprint works in silence, but its results speak loudly. Here's the truth: wealth isn't a mystery, it's a model. And if you build your blueprint with clarity, control, and consistency, you'll start seeing results most people can't even imagine. Remember, the most powerful form of wealth is invisible until it's undeniable.